Okay. So, naka-cancel yung ang flight ko ngayon na dapat ay Singapore to Thailand. And, Singapore to Thailand. Oh my God! Ano na naman yan? Sorry ah. So, Singapore to India and India to Saudi Arabia. So, naka-cancel siya kasi nga late na and hindi ako agad hindi ko nahabol yung oras. Alam nyo na, medyo busy pala tong Singapore. There are lots of buses na parang busy road, ganon. So, ayun, kwentuhan tayo. When I was teenager, when I was run away to my hometown, which is the Cotabato City, Mindanao, together with my husband when I was 18 years old. So parang just flashback na parang ko lang na naiisip ko na pag ganito, pag naiiwan ako ng flight or there's a cancellation flight happening to me, I always think about those time that when I was run away to my hometown. When I was a teenager, I don't have any penny into my pocket or I don't have money with me on those times, and I don't have anything and I'm zero balance. I empty wallet like that. But for those years that me and my husband together, hindi naman ganun na nagigipid kami talaga, pero nagsimula kami sa wala and hindi tumatatapos ng ganun kadali kasi may mga bagay na hindi mo dapat pangunahan and hindi ka dapat matakot. Kasi ngayon, nakaedad na ako compare dati nung teenager ako. As in, wala akong kasama noon. These people, organized people, contractor peoples already hang me to go out and just leave me alone out of the street without anyone with me, and I'm so scared and I'm crying so loudly that help because I'm so scared and I'm a teenager and I don't know what to do to myself and how I move on this kind of situation. But later on, years by years, I made some of friends, people, kumbaga, mababait na mga kaibigan who always around me, and I forget the loneliness when I meet those people, and they are already to Philippines. Sa Manila na sila ngayon, and so kung saan man kayo ngayon na napapanood nyo tong video ko, hindi pa rin ako makamove on. Naalala ko pa rin yung mga time na parang inampun nyo ako para patuloyin sa mga bahay nyo, and parang wala silang tiwala sa akin na baka kung ano naman kunin yan sa apartment tapos biglang aalis ganyan o baka magpasama ng kung sino-sino. Pero na-survive ko naman lahat yun, and maso-survive ko pa yung kung anong meron ngayon, and I always share those story to my two son, Hiro and Gabi, that don't be scared and don't be afraid if you're alone or no one around you to help you on what you have or what sadness happening to your life. There's an open door to those people that are alone and lonely to their lives. So, ayun lang. So, ito yung view dito sa Singapore. Huwag kayo malulungkot na mag-isa lang kayo, ganyan. Sobrang iyak ko talaga noon, and all the people around me is just walk and just ignore what happened to me and like just stare on me na who cares if you're crying so loudly, just like that. And I feel so shy to myself, and how can I stop crying and do something, a solution into my life. And when those people, some of those people see me that I got the level 1 of our relationship between me and my husband. They're so jealous and envy on what we have right now. So, ayun, medyo mayabang ba yung intro ko na yon. So, ito yung view dito. Wag kayong matakot. There's no safe place to all targeted individual out there. Take care always, everyone. Mabuhay, Philippines. So, ito yung view dito.